So the yellow bit goes from the back, from around the back to the front. Like that. Then these two bits will come up and you clip them up on top of your tyre. You take two bits of chain, you'll take this blue hook, hook it like that, and you push that bit off the back of your tyre. Pull these bits all down, untangle them. Then you open this ratchet bit, it'll feed in there, then you ratchet it up, and you'll try to get a bit of this chain through these red hooks. If you can't, that's okay. You just stretch it to wherever it's tight, like that. Drive forwards 15 to 20 metres, pop out, and you just re-ratchet it. Make sure they're really tight, and then hook this bit back up and drive off top speed, maybe 30 kilometres an hour with them on. Then to take them off, it's just everything in reverse. Undo that bit, open that, like that. This bit here will come off, pull it up, and like that, and then they'll fall to the ground. Just reverse over them, and then pack them away.